Hey everybody, it's Wendy. Welcome. I'm so excited that you're here with me today. I am going to show off Paper Pumpkin. Now, if you're interested in this after you see the video, there is a link in the description of this video so that you can sign up for it. It's $22 a month and it comes packaged like this, and that $22 includes shipping but not tax. So you have a little bit extra in tax to pay, but the shipping is covered. So, I love Paper Pumpkin. I get it every single month. And some months I go in before I know it's going to process and I up it to 2 so that I get 2 of them that month. This particular month was a couple months ago, and I'm just now getting around to putting it together. So it came with all these cute little bags, tags that you will just punch out and stamp on, these beautiful round embellishments, more tags, and there's just like lots of little random pieces and parts. These are gorgeous. These are vellum. And then you look at the photos or the instructions like this and you put them together. Now, this particular kit had an add-on bundle that you could get, and I did not get that. Just because I was super busy and I had a lot going on, so I didn't get it. It was the first time they'd ever offered an add-on bundle, and honestly, I was doing good just to keep my head above water, so I was like, maybe I won't mess with adding anything extra to my life at the moment. So, this kit in particular is no longer available unless you are a Paper Pumpkin subscriber, and then I think that you can get it. I think it's an option to get it as a refill kit, but I'm not 100% on that. But this is what I love about it, is it's already laid out for me, and all I have to do is put it together. I'm looking at the picture really close, sorry, because I was trying to figure out what pieces I needed. And yeah, so it comes every month. You have to subscribe by the 10th of the month in order to get it for that month. So, for example, if you wanted the next kit, which is going to be a wintry, Christmassy kit, because they've kind of shown us some sneak peeks, you would need to subscribe for it by October 10th. And then you would be able to get that month. The cool thing about it is you can skip a month, you can cancel it anytime. It's not like something where if you just wanted to try it out for 1 month, you totally could. You can also buy prepaid subscriptions to it so that you go on into my online store and you basically pay for like 3 months of it at one time. And then you're not subscribed. You just get it for the 3 months that you redeem the code for. That one I have done for family members who I wanted to give a gift. They're like kind of crafty, but not really. So I've done the prepaid subscriptions before for like Christmas gifts or birthday gifts so that they would get it and have fun with it. So that's a fun gift to do if that's something, if you know there's somebody. And the cool thing about this for me is it doesn't require a bunch of crafty skill, and everything you need comes in the box. The ink comes in the box, the stamp set comes in the box, the project, the adhesive, except for like regular snail adhesive, that doesn't come with it. So you do need some sort of a glue or an adhesive, but like if it requires little glue dots, comes with the package. So that's really cool. So anyway, let's have some story time, because I feel like there's probably about half of my followers now on YouTube that legit only come here to hear story time, and really you don't care about the project anymore. Is this accurate? You have to let me know. So there's no measurements to give you in this project because it's just me assembling the kit as it came. And I am going to show you October's kit at the very end of this because I used that for my daughter's class. So I want to show you that also. So, excuse me. I am a little bit like hoarse and having some trouble this morning because I spent most of my day yesterday in tears. So I've shared with you guys, and I've been really open with people that follow me on YouTube that my grandpa is super, super special to me. He helped raise me, and he is definitely on his way to heaven to be with Jesus and my grandma. And yesterday was really emotional because we got a hold of the hospital, and hospice is going to come today. So, or I'm sorry, I think that they're supposed to call us today and set up a time to come. So, after I get done voiceovering this video, I'm going to be going straight out to my grandpa's. You probably won't see a video from me on Friday because I haven't had a chance to make anything. But I do have a demonstrator video that's going to go up tomorrow because I recorded that last week. So you will see that if you are hankering for a demonstrator video. It's like I go back and forth between being really grief-stricken and then being really happy that he's going on to be with the Lord. And so, of course, like, I don't want him to hurt anymore. I don't want him to be in pain anymore, all those things. And if you have ever walked this walk with somebody, you know exactly what I'm talking about. And so, anyway, I'm a little hoarse. My eyeballs are super swollen. I kind of lost it yesterday. I'm a pretty strong person. Frankly, I've kind of always prided myself on being somebody who keeps it together. And, I just had to let go yesterday, and I cried and cried and cried and cried and cried. So I woke up this morning, when you cry so much, your eyeballs are like practically swollen shut. Yep, that's fun. And so there's that, but I still put makeup on this morning, and I feel like we have this saying in our family, it's like putting lipstick on a pig. That's how I felt this morning. Like, this is pointless because I look horrendous, but I did it anyway. It's like putting lipstick on a pig. So I've had my coffee, or actually I'm having it right now while I'm talking to you, actually, and I'm putting this bag together. I put it together, I don't know, a few days ago, and had already recorded this video. So I was like, I'm just going to voice over this, give everybody an update with what's going on with the fam. And then in other news, that's less sad, because the other thing is I really try hard to make my channel a very happy, joyful place. So I don't want to overwhelm you with sad talk. So in other news that should make you laugh, so if you are drinking your coffee or your soda or your wine or whatever you're having right now, prepare yourself. So my daughter plays basketball. So in the midst of everything, we are definitely getting to basketball practices, basketball games, and it's a lot. And so we went to a basketball game yesterday that was like, well, first of all, they're all far away. Like, we live in the boonies, so I've not yet been to a basketball game that is close because our home, anyway, I digress. We don't need to go into all that. The bottom line is we drove far. One of her little friends wanted to go with her to watch her play, and her cousin wanted to go. So I had all three of them in the car with me. They talked non-stop from the time we left Plymouth to the time we got to Valley Springs, which is like a 40-minute call. And they were just gabbing and jabbering the entire time. So we go to the game. The game's very intense. Now, if you've never seen 6th grade girls play basketball, y'all, they are mean. They are hardcore serious. You would think these women played for the WNBA, okay? They take it so serious. And my daughter got paired with this girl who was a little bit big, weight-wise, a little bit heavier, and she was probably a solid, like, foot taller than my daughter. And she was just pushing my daughter all around the court. And let me tell you, these are the ones I'm doing for my daughter's class. And I was, like, ready to mama bear off that bench. I am not kidding. And my friend that was sitting next to me, she's like, you can't be that mom. You need to just chill out. And I'm like, oh my God, I'm ready to kill this child. So it's hard to watch your babies get like pushed around and owned, because my daughter is like super ridiculous skinny, and poor kid can't eat half of anything. I mean, that's a whole nother video. But anyway, that's the story. Hope it made you giggle. Shop loveandstampin.com. Sign up for Paper Pumpkin. Links below. Love you guys. Bye.